Alright, April 18th, 2026, seeing he's here, 1835, another northbound on the way, falling well behind the U759, led by the CP 8958. Chivo again, let's check him out on the roads, lean back and get him. M343, with the new 75 IACC 8359 in the middle. 253. Dash 925, 6 third. Head up to Simmons Yard to get him hit Manitoba, Canada. About that. That's gonna do it for the M343 91 of the 17th, and we'll do it for the 3254, the new 75 IACC of the 8359, and the -9 of the 2526 third. So again, off she goes to Symington Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, since starting the journey in Kirkyard in Gary, Indiana. And that's going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for this late afternoon. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great afternoon. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. See you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. Seeing he's out.